Hello my dear students, welcome to one more amazing session. How are you all? So in the Nrimaan 1.0 session, I just want to tell you the hydrocarbon concepts has been completed and we are going to discuss about the most important multiple choice questions that are related to NEET examination. So how about your preparation my dear students? So those who are online, please like the session, share with your friends and subscribe to Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. So in this channel we are started with Nrimaan 1.0. So in this series of sessions we are going to take over the one by one all the topics, and we are not promoting anything here, just genuine subject will be given. So everybody take a pen and paper and work with us, and you are going to get an awesome content in this session. So without late, let's start. So those who are online, give me a thumbs up and fire emoji before we start the class. Hi. Come on, let's see. The question number 1, before going for this hydrocarbons, we had discussed about alkane, alkene, alkyne and the benzene. So in this series, we are going to see the rapid fire round of hydrocarbons MCQ, because in the NEET examination you will be having at least 2 MCQs from this chapter hydrocarbon. When you are very good at hydrocarbon, rest of the organic chemistry will be there in your hand. Are you ready with me? Come on, let us say question number 1. Who is going to write this answer for this? So the question indicates here on catalytic reduction with H2 and PT, how many alkenes would give 2-methyl butane? So waiting for your answer, bacho. What is 2-methyl butane? So this is a 2-methyl butane. So this 2-methyl butane can be obtained from so this and this and this, when you treat with H2 and PT or PD or nickel, you are going to get this 2-methyl butane. So I am going to accept 3 alkenes are responsible to produce this 3-methyl butane. Are you ready with us? So give the answer. What is the answer for this question here? Option C is the correct answer for this question. What do you say? बच्चों अगर कुछ डाउट है ना तो चार्ट बॉक्स में आप पूछ सकते हैं. That's good. And we'll see one more question. I said it is rapid fire. Give the answers by chart box so that session का जोश बढ़ जाता. Okay, one more question here. Which of the following compound can best produced by Woods reaction? I am very happy to see the answers that is given by you. Yeah. So what is the Woods reaction? Woods reaction, when alkyl halide is treated with sodium metal in the presence of a dry ether, you are going to get alkane, higher alkane. Okay. So in this scenario, only symmetrical alkanes should be prepared. That is the limitation. Symmetrical alkane should be prepared. If you look at this isobutane, what is isobutane? This is your isobutane, and what is this N-butane? This is your N-butane, this is N-pentane, and this is isopentane. This is your isopentane. Now, this is a symmetrical alkane. So, how do you prepare? CH3, CH2, Cl, and in the presence of sodium in dry ether, tetrahydrofurane can be used, so that you are going to get CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. So N-butane, my answer for this question is going to be B. Are you ready for that? And one more question here. Only symmetrical alkanes can be prepared by this method. right? And one more, this is another question. Select the structure of the major product formed in this reaction. So this is an alkane. When it is treated with the Br2 and H nu, so it is a free radical halogenation of alkane. In this free radical halogenation of alkane, one hydrogen is replaced with one halogen, and the reactivity of the hydrogens, tertiary hydrogen is more reactive than secondary hydrogen is more reactive than primary hydrogen. If this is the product that is formed, it is replaced by primary hydrogen. If this is the product is formed by the replacement of a secondary hydrogen. If this is the, actually this is not actually the product, because 6 carbon atoms are there, here only 5 carbon atoms are there. This is not actually the product, and here this is the product formed by the replacement of the tertiary hydrogen. So I want to say option B is the correct answer for this question, right? Children, any doubt? And if you have any doubts, use the chat box and you can ask us, say an example, CH4 when it is treated with Br2 in the presence of ultraviolet light, you are going to get one hydrogen is replaced with one bromine. Are you getting or not clear? Now, one more question I just want to ask you. Bacho, next. Yes. A compound A treated with Cl2 in the presence of light, you got a monochloro product. And to maximize the yield of monochloro product in the above reaction, so what you have to do? Cl2 must be added in excess, reactant A must be added in excess, reaction must be carried out in the dark, reaction must be carried out with equimolar mixture of Cl2 and A. Hi Chaudhary, Bhaskar Chaudhary, good afternoon, say hi, one thumbs up and fire emoji in the chat box so that I can visualize the guys. The answer for this question is going to be B. The reaction A must be added in excess, so that definitely you are going to get a monochloro derivatives. Monochloro derivatives, right? Yes. D. Now it is going to be select the chain propagation step in the free radical chlorination of methane. NEET examination demands this type of questions. Chaudhary, come on. Bhaskar, what could be the answer for this question? Chain propagation step. Once the free radicals are initiated, attack of the free radical is going to be chain propagation step. Are you getting or not? So I just want to say here, option C, 3 and 5. So 3 and 5. I said attack of the free radical is a chain propagation step. Right? So that is the simplest trick. In this session, in every session of mine, you will be given always simple tips and tricks. Fine? Simple tips and tricks. That's good. We'll see one more question. Please ask any doubts. Start your goal in your upcoming NEET examination. Preparation of NEET 2027 is already started. Now it is you. Enjoy the preparation. Never stressed up. Never drain your energy, and you have to just take the fun of the learning process and write the examination with a lot of enthusiasm in the NEET, and result is going to be a byproduct. You will be entering into your dream medical college. Yes, you're all with me. Come on, next one more question here. And here this is A, hydrogen A, and this is hydrogen B, this is hydrogen D, and this is hydrogen C. When it is attacked by the bromine free radical, Br free radical will abstract which of the following hydrogen most readily. This is a free radical substitution reaction. In this free radical substitution reaction, the order of reaction, tertiary hydrogen is more reactive than secondary hydrogen is more reactive than primary hydrogen, isn't it? So I would like to say tertiary hydrogen. Who is tertiary hydrogen here? This is going to be a tertiary hydrogen, this is going to be a secondary hydrogen, primary hydrogen, and it is also secondary hydrogen. I love to take this hydrogen atom. A is going to be the most reactive. So the answer for this question is going to be A, chalo. So this is the logic we have to follow it. Understand? In NEET 2026 also, there are two questions has been asked from the hydrocarbons. So take care of hydrocarbons. It can give you 8 marks out of 180 marks in the chemistry NEET examination paper. What do you say? So Bhaskar, any doubts? So let's see one more question here. This is CH3, CH double bond CH and CH3. It is reacted with HBr, a peroxide. It is said that anti-Markovnikov addition. And when you prepare your when you prepare your equations, a reactant से a product कैसे बनता, you learn it. लेकिन नीट एग्जामिनेशन में क्वेश्चन पूछने का तरीका अलग होता है, ठीक है. सो this comment on the optical activity of the product. Super. Comment on the optical activity of the product. Fine. Who will give this? So actually the product is going to be CH3, CH, CH2 and CH3. So you are going to generate a chiral center. अगर एक chiral center product में बन सकता है, when optically inactive compound forms a optically active product, it is going to form a mixture of D and L isomers. Equal amounts of mixture of D and L isomers is said to be racemic mixture. Racemic mixture. So I want to say the answer for this question is going to be A. That's good. Great. Great to see, guys. Bhaskar, you said it is a B answer for the previous one, and this one you got it is the A. It is a trap actually. It's a trap. One more question. Are you ready to open one more question here, children? Next, one more question here. This is a butene, but1ene HCl peroxide, and the product formed is treated with ETO-NEA and heated, and it is going to be elimination reaction. And Z is the major product. You want to take a pen and paper and do it. Pen and paper and solve it. Pen and paper. To solve these questions, you need to hold a pen and paper. Come on. Option. Bhaskar, waiting for your option. Now, this is an alkene. Whenever HCl in the presence of peroxide, whenever peroxide comes into the mind, it works only with HBr. It's a trap. If you use a peroxide, don't use a peroxide, doesn't make any sense. So I just want to say, the A is going to be simply this is your Cl. 2-chlorobutane. 2-chlorobutane. Now, whenever it is ETONA and specifically heat is given, it is supposed to be elimination reaction. It is supposed to be elimination reaction. Elimination reactions are endothermic reactions. So, you are going to get the product according to Sergev rule. According to Sergev rule. So that I got my answer as B. Clear? So, no more twist and no more complex process reactions out of textbooks and all. NEET examination is going to ask any question within the textbook. Within the textbook. Are you getting a note? Now, let us see one more. Let us see one more. Here it is. Which compound would be the major product when this structure is treated with alcoholic KOH? Guys, I want to say whenever aqueous KOH and alcoholic KOH is there, aqueous KOH, nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place. Alcoholic KOH, elimination reaction takes place. But here in this case, CH3 twice, CH, and CH2, and this one, CH and CHBr and CH2Br. If it is treated with the potassium hydroxide in alcohol, it undergo elimination to form a double bond here. So that CH3, CH and CH3 and CH double bond CH in between here, and this is going to give you the eliminated one, and this is a double bond, no? Oh, yes. And it is going to be substituted. So, I just want to say the option for this question is going to be here, D. Elimination in one part and substitution in another part will take place, right? And moving ahead, one more question, right? Take a pen and paper everybody and write along with me. Come on, now give the major product of the following. Major product of the following. So, 3,3-dimethyl but 1-ene plus HCl, and I am asking you specifically tell me the major product. So, certain points we need to add mechanisms, then only you can give the answer. Let me tell you, 3,3-dimethyl but 1-ene. This is a but 1-ene and 3,3-dimethyl. When HCl is added, so I just want to add H plus now. Now it is going to be a positive and like this. And this is a secondary carbocation. It rearranges to give this tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation is more stable as compared to the secondary carbocation. Therefore, here the methyl group is going to be shifted from here to here. So, this is what is called as a methyl shift. Okay. Now, this is attacked by Br minus, Cl minus. You are going to get the product like this, Cl. So, I mean to say 2-chloro 2,3-dimethyl butane. So, 2-chloro 2,3-dimethyl butane. My answer for this question is going to be B. Any doubt? Bhaskar, you kept quiet. Where is your answers? Where is your answers? In the description box, links are available. You can just scroll through those links and you can pursue any kind of help from us in the Sri Chaitanya Academy, Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. We are not promoting anything, we are not selling anything in this YouTube channel. Genuine subject is going to be given to you, and you can ask doubts in this session. In the comments also you can ask doubts. If anything is required, you can just put in the comment box, so that in the next session the topic is going to be redefined and we can discuss that. Okay बच्चों, अगर कुछ डाउट है ना तो पूछना बेटा. भास्कर. Okay, next question. So this is the one, peroxide, the product, the intermediate of the following reaction, the intermediate in the following reaction. What is the answer? Whenever you see CH3, CH and CH3, when you add HCl peroxide, whenever HBr peroxide, you are going to get the free radical addition reaction. You are going to get electrophilic addition reaction. Electrophilic addition reaction. Electrophilic addition reaction follows the carbocation mechanism and here free radical mechanism. So for this I would like to say option is going to be C. Option is going to be C. Got it? Very, very interesting question. It's a trap actually. It's a trap. Now, one more here. So, what is the product over here? I just want to know. You want me to give the mechanism? You have given C as an option in the previous question. That's what? Yes, C is the correct answer, right? And what is the answer for this question? Bhaskar? So, you are a dropper or studying 12th standard? Bhaskar? So, this particular session is quite helpful for those who are preparing for your, who are in 11th standard, who are in a 12th standard, who are dropped and preparing for NEET 2027. This session is going to be absolutely useful. Okay? Now, moving ahead, ऐसा क्वेश्चन आएंगे तो क्या करो? That is going to be like this. In the presence of HCl, H plus, I got a carbocation like this, secondary carbocation. This secondary carbocation can rearrange to gives rise a tertiary carbocation. This tertiary carbocation is going to attack here and gives you the product like this. So, my answer for this question is going to be option C. My answer for this question is going to be option C. Got it? Any doubt? So, order of stability of carbocations. Tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation. Okay? Now, moving ahead, one more question. Get ready. Look at this. Which of the following four molecule PQRS, which one among the four molecule will react with HBr at the fastest rate? HBr, I just want to write HBr, okay? addition of HBr, as I mentioned, it is a electrophilic addition reaction, so it has to form a carbocation. So if this is formed as a carbocation, okay, you are going to see if this is formed a carbocation, if this is formed a carbocation, if this is formed a carbocation, so among all these 4 carbocations, I just want to say this is stabilized by positive mesomeric effect. Q is more stable. I just want to say my answer is going to be B is the answer for this question. Bhaskar, absolutely you have given the correct answer. Absolutely correct answer. Okay. Now moving ahead, arrange the halogens fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine in an increasing order of reactivity with alkanes in the increasing order. It is a phenomenal. Fluorine is more reactive than chlorine is more reactive than bromine and iodine. My option for this question is going to be A. Fine. Any doubt? And one more here, arrange the following decreasing order of their boiling points. Rule 1, boiling point is directly proportional to molecular weight. So for homologous series. Otherwise, I just want to say boiling point is directly, generically I want to say intermolecular force. Boiling point is directly proportional to intermolecular force, right? So when it comes to a family of compounds, rule 2, if molecular weight is the same, then you can say boiling point is inversely proportional to branching. So based on that 2-methylbutane, where is the structures? N-butane, 2-methylbutane, and N-pentane, 2,2-dimethylpropane, and you just say what could be the answer. Simply rule 1, rule 2 is going to decide perfectly. Are you getting or not clear? Any doubt? So what is our answer here? Answer is going to be 1. Correct. Answer is going to be 1 or A, as Bhaskar said. Right. One more question will do. One more question will do. Yes. What is this? This is the alkene and it is a benzene, and it is a benzene Br2CCl4. So I just want to say अल्कीन का जो रिएक्शन है इसका हिसाब से प्रोडक्ट ये होगा आपके लिए CH and electrophilic substitution, electrophilic addition reaction Br and Br होगा, and it is NaNH2 2 equivalents दिया, so that you are going to see the formation of an alkene, double dehydrohalogenation takes place. That is going to be B. NaNH2 is a stronger base, it behaves, double dehydrohalogenation takes place because 2 moles of NaNH2 is given. And C, It is a controlled hydrogenation takes place, so that C double bond C. It is an anti-addition, so that is going to be pH, and it is going to be pH anti-hydrogenation. So I want to say my answer for this going to be anti-addition, transalkene is formed. This is called controlled hydrogenation. Controlled hydrogenation. Are you getting or not? My answer for this is going to be it is going to be cis. If it is NaNH2, NaNH2, it is going to be a trans, or otherwise it is going to be a cis. Okay. It will be a cis. In the controlled hydrogenation, when alkyne is treated with sodium and liquid ammonia, you are going to get anti-addition, transalkane is the product. In the alkyne, when it is treated with H2PdCsCO3, H2PdBaSO4, quinoline as a solvent, you are going to get a syn addition, you are going to get a cis alkene as a product. Are you getting or not? Clear? Now, dear children, today time is almost exhausted. We will continue the same level of questions in the next session. As the time is exhausted, we shall close the session. Okay, thank you very much, and please do like the session, share with your friends, and subscribe to Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Lane NEET YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.